Hello everyone, let's continue with the transaction. And in transaction, we'll discuss about the cascade-less rollback recoverable schedule. Okay, cascade-less rollback, rollback recoverable schedule. Cascade-less rollback recoverable schedule. Okay, so here we can say a recoverable schedule should maintain with maintained with no cascading rollback. No cascading rollback. Let's see. Here this is the transaction T1 and this is transaction T2. Okay. So here write of A, then commit or rollback. After that there is a read of A. Right. So here we can say that T1 update data item A T1 update data item A, then T2 read of A should be delayed until commit or rollback of T1. Commit or rollback of T1. Okay, so here if T1 update data item A and T2 reads A, then A should be delayed until read of A should be delayed until the commit or rollback of T1. तो ये जो T1 है इसका commit या rollback होगा तब तक अपने को क्या करना है, डिले करना है इस रीड को, राइट. So this is what a cascade-less rollback recoverable schedule, right? This schedule is what cascade-less rollback recoverable schedule. Is it clear to all? What about other? Okay, fine. So here transaction T1, here T2. Okay, so here T1, here it is T2, here it is read of A, then write of A, write of B, here also write of B, write of C, and here it is read of C. Read of C, here it is commit of C1, and here it is commit of C2. Okay, so this is the schedule given. Let me say this schedule is S. So this schedule S is recoverable. This schedule S is recoverable and cascade-less rollback. Cascade-less rollback, but still it is not serializable. Okay, not serializable. ओके, स्टिल इट इज नॉट सीरियलाइजेबल। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कोई शेड्यूल रिकवरेबल है और केस्केड लेस रोलबैक है, तो उसका जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सीरियलाइजेबल होगा, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू वेरीफाई दिस वन, दिस शेड्यूल इज नॉट ए सीरियलाइजेबल शेड्यूल। So these points are clear to all. Okay. Now let's see the next thing. Cascade-less rollback. Cascade-less rollback is free from. It is free from irrecoverability, 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 second, cascading rollback, cascading rollback, third, write read problem, write read problem, right? So cascade-less rollback, that is free from irrecoverability, it is cascading rollback, means it is free from cascading rollback, and it is free from write read problem, right? तो ये वाली प्रॉब्लम अराइज नहीं होती है अगर शेड्यूल क्या होता है, केस्केड लेस रोलबैक अगर होगा तो ये वाली प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएंगी। ओके, इट इज फ्री फ्रॉम irrecoverability, cascade less rollback, and write read problem. And CLR, that is cascade less rollback. Cascade less rollback is not free from not free from one thing, read write problem, read write problem. Second, write write problem, and the third is lost update problem. Lost update problem, right? So cascadeless rollback, it is not free from read write problem, it is not free from write write problem, and it is not free from lost update problem. Okay, it is not free from lost update problem. So these problems are still exist in case of cascadeless rollback. So is it clear to all? Yes. Is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Next one is strict recoverable schedule. Strict recoverable schedule. Strict recoverable schedule. So here we can say that assume this is a transaction. This is what a transaction schedule. Okay. So here it is write of A. After that commit or rollback. Then here it is read of A. Right. So this is nothing but this is the case of cascadeless rollback recoverability. Cascadeless rollback recoverability. Recoverability. Okay. Second case, here it is write of A. Write of A. Here it is commit or rollback. After here it is write of A. Okay. So here we can say this is what, this is the no lost update problem. No lost update problem. So in this case, no lost update problem. So by combining these two, we'll make the third one, that is T1, T2, where write of A, then commit or rollback. After that, here it can read of A and then write of A. Okay. So in this case, this is what a strict recoverability. This schedule is what a strict recoverable schedule. Strict recoverable schedule. Strict recoverable schedule. Right? So here we can say if T1 update, data item A, T1 update data item A, then other transaction T2 read of A or write of A should be delayed until commit or rollback of T1। ओके, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पे अपडेट किया जा रहा है, ए को, डेटा आइटम ए को अपडेट किया जा रहा है और उसके बाद क्या कर दिया, कमिट और रोल बैक कर दिया, राइट। तो इसके कमिट और रोल बैक होने तक क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिले करना पड़ेगा इसके रीड और राइट ऑपरेशन को, राइट। इसके कमिट या रोल बैक होने के बाद ही क्या करना है, रीड ऑपरेशन करना है या फिर राइट ऑपरेशन करना है। अगर ऐसा करते हैं तो उस केस में क्या रहेगा, schedule will be the fixed recoverable schedule, right? So this is what the combination of both cascadeless recoverability schedule and next is no loss update problem. If we combine these two, it becomes strict recoverable schedule. Is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next one. Here it is T1, here it is T2. Here read of A, here also read of A, write of A, then commit of this one, then write of A, then commit of this one. Okay, so here tell me that this schedule is strict recoverable schedule or not, strict recoverable or not. This schedule is strict recoverable schedule or not. Yes, what do you think? Is it strict recoverable? Okay, so given schedule is what, strict recoverable, because once it is doing write of A, after that it is doing here write of A, but before that one it is committing, right? तो क्या करना होगा, इसके राइट या रीड को अपने को डिले करना होता है ना, तो डिले कर रखा है यहाँ पे, राइट। उसके बाद इसको राइट किया गया है और कमिट किया गया है, तो इसका मतलब ये क्या है, दिस शेड्यूल इज स्ट्रिक्ट रिकवरेबल शेड्यूल। व्हाट अबाउट द serializable schedule or not serializable? This schedule is serializable or not serializable? Okay, if you observe this one and you try to find out, you will get that this schedule is not serializable. this schedule is not serializable. What about next thing, that read write problem exists or not? Is there any read write problem? तो रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम के लिए क्या चेक करना होता है? एक तो ये देखना होता है कि शेड्यूल सीरियलाइजेबल है या नहीं। नॉन सीरियलाइजेबल शेड्यूल होगा तो ये नॉन सीरियलाइजेबल शेड्यूल है, और देयर एग्जिस्ट एटलीस्ट वन रीड राइट ऑपरेशन। सो हियर दिस इज व्हाट रीड राइट ऑपरेशन। ओके, इट मीन्स देयर इज रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम। ओके, रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट, read write problem exists। तो यहाँ पे रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट करेगी। ओके, so these points are clear to all? Okay, fine. Next thing, strict recoverable schedule. Strict recoverable schedule that is free from first one, irrecoverability. Irrecoverability. Second thing, it is free from cascading rollback. It is free from cascading rollback. And third, it is free from simultaneous write read or write write problem. Simultaneous write read or write write problem. Okay, and next thing, strict recoverable schedule. Strict recoverable schedule may have first thing, read write problem. Okay, so mainly it is having the read write problem, because still we know that here there is a read write problem. Okay, so here we can write down a note that a schedule is free from all problems only if schedule is serializable and Second thing, schedule is strict recoverable. Schedule is strict recoverable. Okay, so here we can say a schedule is free from all the problems only if the schedule is serializable and strict recoverable. मतलब schedule अगर serializable है और strict recoverable है, it means it will be free from all the problems. Is it clear to all? Okay, fine. So here these are the serial schedule. Serial schedule. Here it is strict recoverable schedule. Strict recoverable schedule. Here it is cascade-less rollback recoverable, cascade-less recoverable, and here it is recoverable. Just a moment. Here it is on schedule. Okay, so this is what the classification of the classification based on recoverability. Classification based on recoverability. So in this case, these are the serial schedule. If it is serial schedule, it may be strict recoverable, cascade-less, or recoverable, right? Next, if it is strict recoverable, need not be serial schedule, right? Like that, if it is cascade-less rollback, it need not be strict recoverable. If it is strict recoverable, definitely it is cascade-less rollback also. Next, if it is cascade-less recoverable, it is also recoverable. But if it is recoverable, need not be cascade-less rollback. Cascade-less recoverable. So, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Okay, so now we'll start the next topic, that is concurrency control protocol, right? So concurrency control protocols के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे.